Chelsea's long-running search for a stadium solution is far from over, and despite fresh planning approvals pointing elsewhere, Earls Court has not been ruled out. Behind the scenes, there remains a belief at Stamford Bridge that the West London site could still play a role in shaping the club's future, even as an alternative vision for the land gathers momentum. This week's decision by Kensington and Chelsea Council, following earlier approval from Hammersmith and Fulham, mark a significant step for Earls Court Development Company's mixed-use plans. New homes and commercial spaces now appear closer to becoming a reality, with the proposal heading to the Mayor of London for final consideration. Chelsea's view is that planning permission for one scheme does not represent a final call on the site's long-term use. The ambition to secure a stadium benefiting an elite European club remains central to their thinking. Stamford Bridge, while steeped in history, limits commercial growth and capacity, leaving Chelsea as a disadvantage compared to rivals who've already modernised or relocated. Earls Court continues to appeal on its scale and flexibility. A move there would allow Chelsea to remain at Stamford Bridge during construction. The alternative is to rebuild Stamford Bridge itself, something the club has explored before. And acquisitions have strengthened that option, but the reality is daunting. Demolition and a full rebuild would force Chelsea to play elsewhere for years, with Wembley an unlikely but imperfect temporary home, while navigating the sensitivities of a tightly packed residential area. Since the Bowley-Clearlake takeover, momentum has existed without resolution. That remains the case now. Approval for Earls Court redevelopment may feel like a setback, yet Chelsea continue to see it as one chapter rather than a conclusion. For a club determined to align its infrastructure with its ambitions, the stadium question remains unresolved. Earls Court, Stamford Bridge, or somewhere in between, Chelsea know that getting this decision right will shape not just match days, but the club's competitive future for decades to come.